dutangira banzu making sure yuko wakanze subscribe dutangira naho kuno umugabo uri mu modoka bamise Puti. Ndakumva Puti bamubwiye imibare agomba kuba yahagararaho.
Call me Beast, sugar baby.
Hakuno haje witwa Beast.
I have taken a bullet in my chest. I've had reports of a poacher close to the National Road. Can you look into it?
Of course. And when I get back, I'm going to take a look at that bullet guy in Constable's chest.
Ndakwiyamye ndagaruka mu kanya.
I'm going to swing you in. Ready to go.
Cyagikoze impanuka kiri gushwana n'umugore.
Hey, white people can't drive.
I won't even smell it.
Kumbe Puti yaraje ahagarara kuri ya location bamuhaye. Beast akura imbuni. Kumbe Beast imodoka yabuze feri. Imodoka yabuze feri. Gukandagira imodoka na feri zirimo. Imodoka igibicu. Puti aza kureba ibintu biki bibaye. Munga. Imodoka yereka munga. So yarosa zirenga. Uko cya
You parted the cows for me. What? Poacher.
Turuka imbere. Isasu. Imodoka ifata kuri senyenge zirimo umuriro.
Hey.
Wait.
Now. Bloody poacher.
Ubu nakurasa wa muhigi.
You look at the poacher.
Poacher ni abantu bashimute nyamasho. Merese mbunda nona. Mbunda kinaga ku ruhande.
And I sing into the Hannah boy squire.
Yes, koze neza muhungu.
Taking you in.
Arakocinga kubaka gwana imbunda. Sausu mu kirenge. Puti bamurashe mu kirenge arasakuza. Wa mugingo uzikunda shikirenge. Barahonga bombi nari. Inari sasa. Inari muguma hamwe nugira ubwo birakwereka kigira ubwo kiriruka kumbi kirba kirayiteje.
Rule number 1, buddy.
Iguhenyokosha.
Never turn your back on a lion.
Yubimenya ntabwo ari bwiruka nkubona inari. Ko cyaka goya kuno mu mwobo. Kuminare nagiri kukibona. Ko cyakitsinje. Kumbu yunguyi ino barirashe. Bagabo ni ikinya aza kurikataho. Kumbe hakuno impyisi ziri amaraso.
Somewhere down there there's a dead poacher waiting for you. But you can have it as a starter.
Yararitereye. Impyisi no yararyanye. Ndakubwira ngo dutangira ko bita mad buddies. Ko twagatangiye ahangaha haciyeho igihe kinini ibingibi bibaye aho kuri n'uri gutwara imodoka ino ntari iriho ni Puti haciyeho igihe kinini yarakize kumbe hakuno hari abaye ikirori kumbe Beast ahangaha mu kirori niwe bodyguard.
Minister, Mrs. and
Ministry Kijyango, congratulations.
Congratulations on your daughter's wedding. And how did
yakoreje karuvate mu cyo kunywa.
Keep moving, please. Minister does very sort of.
Ni mu bukwe bwa Ministry Kijyango agiye gushyingira. Baramuhanagurira karuvate abageni uko bakaje. Abageni barinje umukobwa wa Kijyango agiye gushyingirwa. Bodyguard niwe abanza kunywa mbere arebe ko nta burozi buriho kugira ngo cyabone hari ikiri kunywa ritabi mu bukwe. Araza wa mugingo. Zani iki gitabi hano ntago yemereko. Ukumbe yakandagiye ikanzu y'umugeni ikanzu kimucira. Kegera inyuma ntago ari ngiye ubikoze. Bomba hakuno Puti avayo. Putasigiye akora akazi ko kupa amajaride. Hano Ministry Kijyango afata ijambo.
My dear friends.
nshuti zanjye
and colleagues.
mwakoze kuba mwitabiriye ibirori
Welcome to this auspicious occasion for my lovely daughter.
bumva hanze urusaku ibyo ni ibikira bodyguard genda urebe we mujinga rekera aho ngaho se mjije by'indaza amujinga arebye gutya abona umugabo nta afite kureba gutya ni wowe wa mujinga wanda amujinga we nari narakubise kuva cyagiye amujinga ubu niyo wambona se urubuntu wari kanze nkwere kwa mujinga we kumva iki kintu cyaje gifite umwuka iminwa barayitigisa ministre arumi bagwanira ikimashini niko show uribuka isasu wandashe kumbita ni bya binete bambara bari gukupa kupa ibyatsi akuraho ka kamashini gakata ibyatsi reka nze ngukata wa mujinga we kinjira mu biro imbere dore ibyo batangiye gukora mu bukwe bw'abandi bari bamuciye umutwe dore ubwanwa kijyanga arumigwa polisi mu dutabare umugore wa kijyanga baramwogosha izi mashini kijyanga mu mutwe gwo hasi kijyanga Beast yambara umuntu hakurino akure igipanga akabenzi Beast uko ingo yagateruye ministre ajya hejuru mwabajinga mwe kumbita umutwe akabenzi uragenda muri ministre ahinduka akabenzi ministre kijyango dore kijyango ahinduka akabenzi dore kijyango yahindutse ibenzi nakubwiye ngo utari hano ntago mbiza byabereye kandi subscribe wowe feri ya mbere mu binyamakuru batawe muri yombi ni uwitwa Putin na Beast Minister aba bantu kugira mu bafunge nk'abarekura bakaba bakora imirimo nsimbura gifungo
The most important thing, they must not know that they are on television, and they must not know about this reality show.
Tukaba twababyaza inyungu ihambaye cyane.
I'll see you at the police station.
Ese duhuriye kuri police station. Ibintu ugiye gukora ni byiza. Twarabiteguye, muri umunyabwenge. Ko cyagahinduke uko gwego ndapfuye. Baje kubafungura ni Putin na Beast. We musoka. Bisohoka bishaka no kugwana.
Hi guys.
Hi basore.
Nice pic.
Muri kubona ko mwafunzwe. Nibyo biri mu binyamakuru. Wowe urinde.
Yesterday at the wedding reception of the daughter
of the
appointed Minister of Tourism Silas Mda, two local men, Beast, Buthelezi, and Butiravet.
Uwitwa Putin na Beast muri gushinzwa mu kugwana mu bukwe bwo kwa ministry. Cyo ni icyaha gikomeye. Ariko kugira ngo kubw'amahoro yanyu
to see you both go to jail for a long time.
Mukagenda gukora ni game imara igihe kirekire.
Yes. Therapy is good. We need therapy.
Jewe na twebwe.
So this is what you're going to do. You are going to
mwabikora abasore
to Gauteng together.
Aho kugira ngo muhame mufunga.
That's 600 kilometers.
It's a penalty for your racist behavior.
I am not.
Aho kugira ngo muhame mufunze mwabikora.
Lomuntu spugo.
And I find
ntabwo nakorana n'uyu mujinga.
And the rest of the world believe that you are racist.
Biri mu nyungu z'igihugu kandi kubafunga ntacyo bimaze. Kiritoneka.
We hate each other.
Ngiye nkorana n'uyu mujinga nanjye ntabwo nakorana n'umujinga. Igihembo.
Okay boys. These
bahungu mwakire baje kubaha amajaketi ariho ibintu byose ariho za tracking device n'ama microphone. Hakuno muri studio turi kubumva neza. Ewa na kamera zitazitangira kujyaho.
You may not catch a lift on anything. You have to walk.
Guys, turatangiye game.
This is a map of your route. I'm sure you'll find it picturesque.
Buri muntu bamuhereza igikoresho azifashisha.
You want us to do this thing without money?
Relax.
Asanga harimo amafaranga.
Thank you.
Batanga telefone zabo.
200 rand. $200 won't even fill this tank.
Amadolari 200. Ingana n'uyu mujinga.
Yeah, Minister.
You need Beast.
You have to cross the finish line together as friends. This is not a race. It's a test.
Basore rero mwitegure turagiye.
And we have got spies out there to make sure that the two of you do not cheat.
Na kosa na rimwe mwemere kuba mwakora muri uru rugendo.
What is the price?
Igihembo ni iki?
You.
Ni wowe. Umukobwa ngo niwe gihembo bazabiha.
So we'll see you in Barrysville, Gauteng.
Umukobwa mwiza ngo niwe gihembo. Baryaye bizyo kwitama ni iki nacyo.
So good luck. Remember, this isn't a race.
Birakaje.
Bye.
Bye. Mugire urugendo rwiza. Byarerekereye. Ni Putin na Beast.
They don't know that they're on television.
Tugenda kura kuri televiziyo ko yagaho rugurutse kigwa mu mazi. N'ikijyango yaragowe shahu. Hakuno waje kumukurayo. Bamukurayo. Ikijyango yaragowe. Uko agakandagiye arongeye kubita gisubira mu mazi. Arongera bamukurayo. Meze neza. I'm fine, meze neza.
What's the next mission?
Uyu ni umwanda kabisa.
Are our heroes just too far gone to get over their cheap racist selves?
Guys, game igiye ko yatangira live kuri televiziyo y'igihugu.
Would you please play along? Do not let them know that they are being filmed or that you know who they are. This is South Africa's own heartbeat reality show.
Iyi niyo game ya mbere ishimishije muri South Africa.
That black oakie's never gonna make it, man. Go Putti!
Ndaza gushyigikira wita Putti. Akuno muri studio bari kubareba. Cameraman.
Hello?
Hello. Cyaje hano mu supermarket. Mukecuru arebye. Si wa musitari maze mbona kuri televiziyo ra. Wow. Mukecuru arebye abona n'ikindi. Wewe.
I'm what?
Don't blow it.
Bitabimenya ko turi kubareba kuri televiziyo. Mukecuru arapfusha naga bibweho yababonye.
Because you can't your food.
Kinaje gushakisha ibyo kurya.
Hey.
Kureba gute muri televiziyo kiribona. Usiko ndi kureba. Putti ngwino hano urebe.
That's us.
Ko turi muri televiziyo mwana.
Idiots.
Have you never heard of closed circuit television?
Twega turabareba kuri televiziyo.
Yeah, with the NX logo in the corner.
Iyi ni bikira. Amugingo uri muri adukamera kuri iki televiziyo cyawe mukecuru.
Are you going to buy something?
Yeah.
Ko fata ibintu bitufata n'ibintu byaha. Ntago byabimenya ko birimo biraca kuri televiziyo y'igihugu. Biri kugira ngo n'umukecuru ari kubikamera.
He's my boss. He's going to pay. I'm his farm worker.
Mukecuru we.
What's so funny?
Mukecuru asekamo.
It's just the way you said farm worker. It's funny.
Urasekeje gusa. We Putti.
No, sis, not same guy. Just push more yaki na people like flat.
Uyu muginga ntabwo twemera gutwara imodoka yera.
See, he's my boss.
Turayitwara. Ko byagafasha ibintu. Beza hano kwishyura.
That's 64.14.
What?
Ibihumbi 64 ututuntu.
The chocolates was 35.65. Your farm workers' chocolate.
Yishyura amafaranga 64.
Yeah. He said you were going to pay and you agreed.
Umukecuru aravuga ururimi rwarahengamye. Ndashaka wishyura 64.
You start playing games with me, eh?
Wa mugingo niba udashaka kwishyura kura y'imbunda.
Everything's on CCTV.
Cyo ntabwo abindatira ngo nukuri umusitari. Yarishe baramugarura. Beast. Kumbe bino biri gufana Beast.
Did you see me on the TV with the Beast and Putti?
Muzukuru wanjye ziko mbonye Beast na Putti. Putti na Beast ndababonye no kuri map.
Are you saying I need less food than you?
Twaza kugenda tuze kuba twarusoreza hanga bacaho.
I'm saying you got a big fat ugly gut.
And you've got a big fat ugly smelling mouth.
Ko cyakagize gutya kibona hakuno hari ahantu hari amazi. Ko cyaje kunywa amazi. Kiranywa. Keba gutya kibona. Hari inka ziri kumanuka hakuno. Kureba gutya ko umuginga hakonje ari marekamura mu mazi. Wa muginga w'amazi uri kunyama siko ndi kuyanywa. Ndashaka ko yagarura biranga. Yakiri kuyanyaramo kandi ari kuyanywa. Ngo cyaje kimwiga. Kumbe game yatangiye kujya. Abaginga bari gukora ibiki?
It's getting worse.
Kubita. Cyakimuguyeho.
I'm switching sides. 50 bucks says the white guys.
Ndasheta 50%. Batangiye kubisheta. Kumbe ko cyaje kwegura stati ni stati bakoreye umugore wacyo. kiregura ko cyakayeguye kiregura umugore wacu yarinje kugira ngo cyabona atafashe stati ku mabere kirimo kiranihira mama ari kumupulisa bahu umugore yarumiwe arigendera kwacha cyayikubiza ku birenge bamwise ministiri kijyango ni ministiri w'intebe bageze hano mwabonye gatenga
This is going to be the shortest reality show ever.
Wewe yo ngayo yishyizeho ndaza kuba nayarya. Kwageze gucya umukobwa vayo.
Hello, boys.
Hello bahungu.
I thought something like this might happen. Did you
Ibi
remember
bintu
what I
birashimishije.
said about the prize?
Mwambonye nk'igihembo cyanyu?
Lucky.
Ubwo ntabwo muri buze kuba mwansindira ibintu mutarabigira vuba vuba byahise byihuta.
Life is so easy when
Come
you
on.
have the tools.
Ko byakageze hakuno. Kumva ministiri abyutse akora ku muhumetso. Ko byakavuye hakuno mu ishyamba.
Where are you going? Can't you carry that big gut?
Iki ngiki ko cyakuriye hejuru ku mabuye bamwita beast. Ko cyakageze hejuru hakuno kibona amagi. Ko cyagatangiye kubika amagi nyirayo aramubona inde kirarihisha nyirayo ari kubibona nizanye nizo bitotirishi mu kinyarwanda zitwa ibishuhe aramanuka uba igira itangira kumanyuka avuyemo umushwi umushwi aviremo mu ipantaro simwumiraho yakamanutse gutya
You're gonna make the best baby roast pasta.
uruwanjye nge nitwa beast ko cyakomeza gutya kibona imbere nyina
I'm sorry, Mama.
mbabariye mama
All alone and lost. You can go back to your mama, little fella.
akira umwana wawe
I really didn't mean to harm him. I just wanted to guide him through his first steps.
cyaramusetse kumbe cyo kiri hejuru ku magi jya ubanza utekereza sha kiri hejuru y'amagi kumbe nyiri magi aturuka inyuma kirirukanka otirishi kigurukaho barirutse ko cyaje n'ubundi kiruhira ubusa kirarimena Beast aragiseka mukobwa agaruka hakuno muri studio
and ITV have just bought the show. Minister Ndar.
Ministiri ndakumva neza
Don't worry.
ibintu muri gukora ni bucucu
We're gonna start helping each other soon, I promise.
abaginga banze kuba inshuti to ministiri yagize igikomere ko bakaje gucya uyu nguyu kureba gute bana abasitari arijijisha aje gukora amashanyarazi arurira areba abasitari bacaho kumva iki ngiki ko cyageze imbere kibona mu modoka mo imbere harimo bag ko cyakarebyemo kibona harimo inyama kumbe munsi harimo imbwa iragikanga inyama kirayigurukana fata kumbe imbwa iziritse ku rwego imbwa iziritse ku rwego igurukana umuntu dore imbwa irakurubana umuntu umva imbwa ikurubana umuntu imbwa yarirutse inyama y'imbwa barayitwaye Beast nawe akurikiraho imbwa yageze hano irananirwa kugenda ikurubana umuntu inyama cyaje cyayihambiye ku itako tayari
If I did, I wouldn't tell you.
batangira gushaka inkwi kugira gutya cyabonye hakurya nisha niki bazitisha ibuye we cyateye akabuye gato yashaka kumbe rufite ikibiriti hakuno abafana barimo baritegereza ku mateleviziyo byacitse umuriro kiba kiracanye. Undi nawe afite inyama, nanjye mfite inyama sha. Ndaje nyige uri kundeba. Okay, turareba urakura umuriro.
Okay, cool. Okay. 75 on Booty, 43 on Beast.
Ari Booty na Beast ushireho nde. Ushireho Beast. Kumva iki ngicyo cyaje gushyushya amabuye ngo yakumuriro. Kirashyushya. Kirashyushya. Uyu ngo areba y'inyama imanitse. Kirashyushya umuriro wanga kwaka. Kacyakarebye kibona aho yashyize ikibiriti hakurya. Cyabonye aho yashyize ikibiriti. Kirabanza kirabiva mu maso. Ataza kumenya ngo ni cyane. Gici inyuma kijya kumwiba ikibiriti. Kijya kumwiba ikibiriti. Kugira ngo cyabone ibijisho. Ndapfuye kirani igikoko. Abona ibijisho atora ibuye. Ibuye kujisho. Abafana baraserebura. Puti, haguruka.
I thought you were a Springbok.
Puti nabanzi kari wowe. Wa mugingo. Ubiki ngiki. Ko yakitegereje. Mugingo, bastard. Kubita. Agakoroboyi. Kajya gasutse gucyo kibona hakuno harimo imyambi. Cyamuhaye ku nyama nacyo giha ku myambi. Minister.
That's just so much better.
Ibi bintu ni ubusazi.
You are so right.
Minister ndakumva ariko biraza kujya ku murongo. Mu gitondo ko byakabyutse. Cya Beast ko cyateze amatwi cyumva hakurya inka zirimo zirabira. Kiragenda kizana amase y'inka. Kimuhereza mu kiganza. Kirangije kizana katsi. Kimukoza ku mazuru. Njye nibikira. Kirongera. Yayihomye mu maso. Ikubise amase mu maso. Gicaho. Nibyo bikuberesha. Ikubise amase mu maso. Anuka ngo ikintu umwanda w'inga. Kumbe ko cyakaje hano cameraman muramubonye acaho yiruka. Kiza muri toilette. Kacyakaje muri toilette popeshe nikirago. Igwa hanze kikingaho. Cameraman araza yitsimba hakuno. Ntabwo bibizi ko ari kubigendaho babikamera. Kumbe ko cyakaje muri toilette kibona popeshe nikaguye hanze. Kacyakaje kuyitora. Ikiye kuyitora. Tazarayitora. Ngo
Please, man. Toilet paper. Please.
ngahomereza urupapuro rw'inkoni isuku atayigendera. Aza gusunika igisarane. Arasunika kirashungumuka kiramanuka. Igisarane kiramanuka mu mazi. Abafana barishima aho ngaho sha. Akuno muri studio. Minister ndakumva.
This is a disgrace. I'm pulling the plug.
Ibi bintu n'ubusazi abaginga nako bavanze kuba inshuti.
On television.
I don't care. The deal is they show the world how people can get along.
Ibi bintu ntabwo ari byiza ku baturage bacu.
Pulling the plug.
Kiye kubisaranje umutwe.
You know my audience likes to
Minister yaragowe.
because they enjoy watching.
Ni umunyabyago umwe ukomeye. Gomba hakuno. Ko byakavuyeyo. Hakuno bica ku modoka. Ko cyakarebye imbere mu modoka. Kibona harimo umukecuru usinziriye. N'umukecuru n'umusaza. Umusaza dore ni wa musaza igwara ibicurane. Arimo aragona akaza ibipurizo. Yego. Iki ngiki kiza inyuma muri butu. Umusaza aragona. Ibi ni ibikira cya Beast. Nguyu gitora katsi kize kigiye kugatobora. kiragatobora igikoko kura imbunda isasu umukecuru arisha umuntu kujya kagurutse igicaho iki ngiki gifatwa muri segenge isasu kukabona gicaho ipantaro segenge irazibaga cyaje gukuramo isasu hano kiri kwirebera mu kirahure cy'imodoka kiza kwikuramo isasu bakesha isasu kukabuno ni cya Beast kiri kuramo fuck umwanda nabwiye ati bazadushyire kuri tele no abasobanuzi birirwa bababeshya nge nayizanye kicari igisebe uyu munsi nakwicara bihari no kuryama ubitsinda aho ubona ahantu hose ijambo rino yaba rino fast yaba rino radi yaba rino editor one wo kanda subscribe aho hose naho wasanga filimi zanjye kugira gutyo kibona akanyamasyo kiragafata.
Hello, Mr. Tortoise.
Bimeze bite kanyamasyo?
To crack your shell.
Utajya ngo n'ubugome ngiye kuba nagukoramo ibyo kurarira kiragenda iki nacyo ko cyakaje gitoriwe kigiye kumupima cyumva hakujya hari igikeri kivuga wajakabonye igikeri kivayo gitora ikoroboyi pfundikira igikeri cyabura aho ngaho ndaje kumbe gisigaranye umwambi igikeri gitangira gutaruka uyu nguyu yazanye ibuye agiye kumena kiriya kigofero cy'akanyamasyo abona uko yakarya umbabarire kanyamasyo wa muginga we igikeri ari gutarukana n'idebe umbabarire nakunde nayo mfite kuba nabigenza rimwe igikeri arataruka kabiri igikeri ko yagatarutse gatatu ku mutwe kigwa hasi kanyamasyo karagiseka wa muginga wari ugiye kumemukira n'ubundi karagisetse uyu nguyu ko avuye gushaka inkwi asanga igikeri ntagihari kigihera kureba gutya hasi harakibona asanga Beast ari hasi. Beast,
did you do that?
wa muginga we niwo nkubise ku mutwe.
You were also hit by many falling stars.
Uri umusazi wajya utekereza njye nigende nagura ari mari.
You just can't see them.
None ko biturutse hejuru wari uri. Kugira ngo iki gitari kirataruka. Araza aragifata.
Yes, Mr. President.
Ndakumva president. Ntabwo nishimye. Kubera iki?
Then you said so.
Ibi bintu ntabwo binshimishije.
I am angry.
Ibi bintu mubikura kuri televiziyo y'igihugu. Ntabwo yishimye. Kumva hakuno hari waje kwiyokereza igikeri cye. Cyaje kudoda ipantaro aho banyujije isasu. Arabanda yishyiraho. Bitaza no kumutakaraho agiye kurya igikeri. Vuga ngo bon appétit. Ko yagaye kinye.
C'est delicious.
Vuga ngo jye yegwa. Umva. Nimwe muvuga ngo na sauce y'igikeri.
Minister.
Ndakuba minister, president mgiye katishimye.
This thing is a disgrace.
Ibi bintu turi gukora n'ubusazi.
The whole country is glued to their TVs.
Because they've got a sense of humor in their trouser.
Nakubwiye ngo ntabwo yishimye.
Something to make them help each other.
You better.
Kandi mubikurikirane. Cyakanze ine biragihina. Kumva hakuno abakamera baracyabagendaho. Babiteze kumbe ko cyakabyutse kibona ni twa dukoresho bakoresha bari kuroba amafi. Ako no ari igifana cyakunze puti kibyuka kimureba kugira gucya abona afite ka kandi bakurura isamaki kazamuka. Buri muntu bamuhaye kamwe kugira barebe ko biraba inshuti kugiye kukiba gucya. Beast arajyamye we uri mu bikisha.
I don't know. Where did you get that?
Icyo ni igifite.
It's no use to you. Let's share it.
Zanano tuteranye tujye kuroba amafi. I'm fishman.
Come on, don't give it to him.
Give it to him.
muhereze utamuhereza no yego sha abafana ntabwo bashaka ko byumvikana
What are you going to use as a fish line?
aka niko bakoresha baroba amafi
Bloody stingy man.
ntabwo byakumvikana iki ngiki cyaje gikuramo rasi cyaje gutora igufwa ry'igikereho baritaye kumbe kirimo kirarikoramo kigiye kurishyira ku ndobani gitegesha amafi kumbe baje kukiba kakuma gakaraga isamake kazamuka kugira gucya we umugingo urimo urakijyana he garura hano vuba
Listen, man, I'm a fisherman.
nyumva mwana nyumva
Catch us some food with us. Give me
wanyumvishije wazanye hano tugashaka ibyo kurya bagira gucya me mu mazi
moron.
wa muginga urabona ibintu ukoze
It's to punga.
byose niwo bitewe bashaka kukanyiba kubiturushye kigwa mu mazi wa muginga Minisitiri arababara
Mister, we tried.
puti ako ntara bari gufana puti bimeze bite anga yaje kuvunjisha ibiceri ataga inoti bamuha ibiceri
The last time we had chocolate was last year Christmas. I'm too poor.
aza hakuno kumbe gwaje gukina ikijyabarezi ko gwagakinye rurarya karamanuka gaheramo ko tamanuka sha manuka sha kanze ngakuremo gikoramo imbere ricomekamo akaboko gukuramo akaboko biranga
My bro, I'm stuck.
boss
I'm stuck.
boss
Moses, part of the cattle.
shaka nze ngakuremo
Save me from the lion.
kanze ngakuremo none hangiye kugakuramo
Seems like Moses isn't listening today.
erega sha ntago wakakuramo
Might be needing him more than you think.
kanze ngufashe
What?
icyo ni iki
What are you doing?
wa mugingo uri gukora ibiki aragenda kuzanira imikubuzo niya mikubuzo ifite igiti hejuru
What are you doing?
kubita kukabona gicamuramo
From now on, you can call me Moses.
iyo ndabigukorera ntabwo uba uvuyemo bicaho kumva ko cyari cyariye akahita kamanuka buretse hari icyo mbonye
Just give the minister a little hope. Just a little.
Camera 3? Yes, Kelsey? I need you to get a note to those two monkeys.
mukomeze mbaye mwabagenda aho bageze barabwiraga kameramani
I haven't heard a thing.
ko byakageze hano
You screwed us big time. We could have caught some fish.
wa mugingo niwo biteye tuba twiririye
How
amafi
long to go to Gauteng?
2 days, maybe 3.
iminsi ibiri
I quit. I quit.
ko cyakageze hano kibona hari
I'll serve
urupapuro
my sentence. And after 27 years, I'll come out and I'll be the hero.
imyaka 7 ishize ninjye muntu w'intwari wenyine
Start getting along and you will each receive 10,000 rand. Love, Kelsey.
turagira ngo mwe mwakurikiza buri kimwe tubasaba
Where the hell is she?
ku rupapuro
Where are
rwanditseho
these people watching us from?
abaginga ko bari kuza bidutega bari he
Why is this thing?
kumbe byageze hakurya hamwe bakaraga amazi akamanuka
Brakes broken. Looks like we're gonna have to work together on this one.
ugomba kujya hejuru kama amazi none turebe ko bitaraba
You
inshuti
climb up there, spin the blades, I drink, then we swap.
No.
no
You go up there, spin.
genda hejuru karage nywa amazi nanjye ndakwishyura
You won't cheat.
nta
You give me your word.
atambeshye
I give you my word.
genda umereza amazi
This I gotta see.
cyaruri cyaraje kirakaraga amazi nice amazi aramanuka kiraza kiranywa
Everybody, can come down now.
ngaho manuka yes babaye inshuti kureba gutya rurigende bayi minisitiri ararakara wa muginga we cyangwa muri cyo kibanza umutwe abafana yasigaye yitunganya kumva ko minisitiri ababara abafana nibyo bashaka barabetingira bisti akira usomo rwandiko ruvuye kwa perezida bamuhaye urupapuro ruramwirukana mu minsi ngahe niba bitarakemuka. Ngiye kwirukanwa Yesu aza kunyara vuba vuba. Rinete muri toilette azikuramo. Umbe iki ko cyakaje cyihuta kibona hakuno twatuvura inka zinyweramo amazi kinywa amazi kumbe iki cyabonye ari kunywa amazi nacyo kiraza kiko cyakarangije kunywa amazi uyu ngo ageze hano kumbe do kiriko yajugunyamo cyataye mu mwanda sha cyayajugunyemo uyu ngo agezeho amazi ari mu mwanda kiyajugunyemo waruti ko nazakwishyura ntago cyamuhereza puti umva abafana ari gufana puti mwabaginga mwari bikiri gukunda Beast ntago kiri gushaka ko bafana puti
Every single morning, I take it down.
Ko byakaje hakuno.
To say thank you.
Ndavuze ngo fuck you.
No.
Mujinga.
Now I have nothing to be thankful for. I have nothing to dump.
Cyaje kwitonganya. Iricara kirarira. Kuba gakomeje urugendo. Kumbanga bageze ku mworozi w'inka n'umushumba nakurangisha boss. Iyi nzira igera he? Iyi nzira iragenda ikagera hakurya. Ikongera ikagenda ikagera hakurya. Ubu kuntu cyamurangiye. Urakoze. Ukuntu cyamurangiye. Menya ari cyarataze. Umba kuno ku mateleviziyo.
Don't worry, Minister.
Ndakumva ministry.
Those going to get these two together and
yakihangane bigiye kuba byakemuka aramukupa. Narambiye gutongana n'uyu muginga ngo ni ministry. Gomba hakuna abafana. Hano babiteze imodoka. Cya Beast ko cyakose inyuma kibona imodoka harimo ibipolisi. Kirinjira Ministre aritegereza. Puti nawe ko agendukiye abona ikigenga kirimo kirajya. Araza. Kumbe buri muntu bamuhereje. Zanani byanje amuginga we. Barariye. Baranywa, bararya. Barariye, bararya, baranywa. Baranyweye bararya. Umva umubi wo gacuka we. Abagingara.
Somebody is messing with us.
Kimo cyanyunye intoki.
No. I thought these fish and chips grew from seeds.
Kada ni Imana yabizanye.
Trying to get us to be buddies. Same with the 10 grand. They're trying to force us to stick together.
Taza kwibwira ko ari ibintu byizanye gutyo. Wabutekereza nawe uyu munsi. Ibyo byose ni inshuti yanjye yabizanye. Bamuginga nukikunda.
So let's fire up this jalopy and eat for Gauteng and collect our 10 grand each.
Ibi bintu turimo ni ibiki? Babaye inshuti ministry yaje guserebura ko babaye inshuti ministry ko bagakinga urugi umugore we kiwonda w'umutwe gitera amaguru Numva hakuno baje kwatsa imodoka. Imodoka yanze gukora babaye inshuti noneho ibintu byabaye neza. Iki kizi nyuma gukora muri moteri.
So, is it a cable?
No. Okay, injira imodoka.
What's wrong with the engine?
There isn't.
Ntago ushyize mu byago mwana. Kiraho tugende. Kumanuka gutya imodoka ivura feri. Kumva ikiginga cya ICFR icyaputi cya ICFR imodoka iramanuka. Kugira gutya kuno hari bariyeri barakata. Imodoka iramanuka. Binjira hagati y'amabuye abiri. amabuye abiri niyo yagaruye imodoka. Abaginga twa tuzi ngo babaye inshuti. Gukingura biranga.
Open the windows.
Ukingura amadirishya byanze.
Don't tell me you're stuck. We are stuck.
Imodoka raje bifatira hagati y'amabuye abiri.
Over an hour and they haven't said a word to each other.
Kumbe cameraman.
Wide shot and then see if you can get something tight.
You know, the thing about my toe, it's not really about kicking a rugby ball.
Yaraje yicara bitekereza icyo gukora.
When they see me barefoot.
Bitangira kuganira udukuru twa kera.
Like wearing socks in the sack.
Yewe kera natungaga inkoko ebyiri.
They just want to have fun, like in the jacuzzi or something.
Anya natungaga inyana.
See this missing toe boy, they just run.
But why do you carry on about your toe?
Byatangiye kuganira inkuru.
It wasn't your time. God had other plans for you.
My name was security guard. After that lion, I couldn't be a cop anymore. I lost my nerve.
Yeah, I guess in some way we both stuffed up each other's life.
Byatangiye gusura mu buzima bwabyo bwa kera.
Transkaro.
Byatangiye kuzamura akaririmbo.
Senze nyina.
Yasenze nyina. Abantu mwese mwasenze ba nyoko ndabasuhuje.
Senze nyina.
Yasenze nyina.
Snelleri smooth. Senze nyina.
Senze nyina.
Medio premier.
Kumva indirimbo abantu bose barayizi. Nabari kureba kuri televiziyo batangiye gusubiramo.
Senze nyina. Senze nyina. Like you used to be
Senze nyina. Ego minisitiri. Yasenze nyina.
I'm sorry, but
Mbabarire Beast. Nanjye Beast mbabarire. Kirarira. Mbabarira. Na minisitiri hakuno batangira kurira. Birasama. Yakoze ku murangamutima y'abantu. Kurino. Umva puti.
you can't
Beast gukora ku muhumetso.
Put it. Where the man's gonna go?
Puti yanganize gukora ku muhumetso. Umva gukora ku muhumetso. Umva gukora ku muhumetso washobora kubona.
You out of this place.
Wamuginga we. Wari cyangwa gukora ku muhumetso. Aracyakora ku muhumetso. Yafuka amazuru.
That was good. You shut in the car where we can be stuck for 5 days.
Ngiye gupfira mano kubera imihumetso yawe.
It's not that bad. Drink and that, man.
This is not suitable for the family. Pull the block. Pull the car.
Ibi bintu ntabwo binshimishije minisitiri. Kumbe ikirahure cy'imbere kimenaga gutoroka.
You animal!
Wa muginga wari
I even
gukira.
apologize to you. You cock-grabbing third face. You will regret what you did to put in a bed.
Ubundi nta bushuti bwa Putin na Beast. Byatangiye kwicuza impamvu bari babaye.
That was good. The kick.
Nta kibazo sha.
That was really good.
Ubu noneho meze neza.
You set us free. You are my man.
Ndumva mbohotse. Gikoze ku muhumetso ngo cyuma kiraho mbohotse.
Perfect ending to a perfect day.
Abaginga bari bamaze kuba inshuti none ubushuti bwabo burangiye. Minisitiri ajyama yonga intoki sha. Atebe. Ariko minisitiri w'intebe. Bafite minisitiri Kijyango. Umbe ko byakageze hano. Byageze mu gaturage ka Valbosch.
All right, you people of Valbosch, it is your turn to miss Buddies or Growth for a little while. In case Beast or Booty come in contact with the TV, we will be cutting transmission to your town until they leave.
Okay, guys, let's go and surprise them. No, man. This is too bad. This is gonna put Valbosch on the neck.
Barasohoka bajya kubireba ku muhanda. Byageze mu midugudu. Ko byageze gutyo biza hafi no ku gashopu.
Where's all the people? There's nobody.
Hari n'ibara n'akabari. nimba atari muri alimentation ni mu kabari kumbe iduka nawe urimo bitangira kumukokora urimo birafata ibintu byihereza ikingiki kirapemba kumbe abaturage babivumbuye baje kubireba baje kureba abasitari ikingiki ko cyagasohotse kibona hakurya abantu baje kukireba umusitari we numva bane ntabwo nzongera kwiba mfite amafaranga ndamwishyura umusitari baje kuba umusitari kugira ngo baje kugifata ndakibuze kiricaho umusitari aragiye mana yanjye tukamurebye icaho kuri no kuti urapfuye umusitari ica kumva kuno bisa naho byinjiye ari muri twa duce twororerwamo ingona nase dukora kutabaye kumva hakurya kibonera isindiye warunuye mama zinga we aragiseka yaje kunywa ugacupa inzoga izo byarashe byazibye dore uko bireba byazibye byose nta mugabo ugwa kuyoboka nyine dore uko biri kureba byazibye ni puti na bisti wowe bisti
To your health.
tumwemo mwana
To your toe.
tumwemo iraseka cyangwa no kwitumbo
I'm playing nice.
I found us a nice
kumba kuri inzoka irangirika mu mufuka ntabwo kuba nakararira mu ijoro sha
We need more booze.
umva rero
Bestie, this club. I stole extra booty for Putin beast.
yumvira ngo Putin na Beast ngo bari inshuti gakubita gikura y'icupa
What is mescaline?
It's Mexican for masculine.
ibyo ari byo byose turayinywa inzoga yo mu bwoko bwa mescaline
Man, I swear, the better.
zana hano zana inzoga iramena dore uko bireba iyi nzoga imena umutwe dore ijisho dore uko bireba kumva kuno mu muhanda afande kananura ari gushaka gukora amahano ndagujya babona hakurya havuye kwiga kariti burari vayo muhagarare bagomba twapfa kananura kuri imodoka mu nzira bari bamuriye n'abagenga bivayo
You are under arrest.
ngiye kubafunga under arrest bahita babitwara under arrest bivuga tugiye kubafunga baza babitwara kugira gutya mu mufuka inzoka ivayo mu mufuka inzoka izamuka hagati mu maguru kumva fande w'umugore ko yagakoze hano hari icyo yumvisha aragifata mu ntoki yumva cyarakuze kananura ufite ikintu cyakuze yumva kiri kugenda turapfuye turapfuye avande kananura caho kananura fata muri senyege kananura bigenda bitewe
Jimmy?
imodoka yapfuye
We don't care the camera.
dore kamera sha
Not so long.
kamera nayo birayigonga irahagarara ukoze neza sha kamera nayo byarayitwaye imodoka ya traffic nayo birayiba
There's a pub. Alcohol. Pull over.
kumbe ko byakaje hakurimo biza muri parikingi yo kuri sitasiyo ya esanse yaje guparika hano kuri sitasiyo ya esanse ukoze neza
Double scotch and a cream soda.
kumba ahenga hari
Attention, please. We apologize for the power failure. The generator will
byinshi ahangaha mu bitaro rusange public
Gee, it's
hospital.
quiet. The hoax in this blood must have all passed out.
Amatara ko yagasubiyeho dore ukuntu ibintu bigiye. Amatara arongera avaho.
Who the hell are you?
Abaganga byabahananiwe ku gitanda.
Double scotch and
Abarwayi nako.
ice and a draft.
You
Amatara arongera avaho.
take you straight to casualty.
Kumbe byinje muri organa room ni bya byumba babikamo ibice by'imibiri y'abantu. Harimo haranuka.
would love this.
Harimo haranuka kubi.
It is like a pub. If your liver is finished, they give you a new one.
Dore ivi. Kumbe cy'igishwa cyakarebye beast. Gwino hano. Reba hariya.
It's a toe.
Kumbe byabonye ino
You
byasigaye
know what
hano.
this means? Some guy got it chopped off in a bar fight.
Ino barabitse ni naryo babitse.
I've got a new toe.
Beast mbonye ino sha.
So black is beautiful.
Mbega ino cyiza.
Nation.
Wibuke nano gifite bakirashe ino riracika.
You shut it off.
Feri ya mbere nukuza kuri giterera.
See, buddy, this is going to hurt.
Beast yigize umuganga agiye kumudodera hino.
I have prayed for this day.
Nuko ndodesha urushinge igikwasi.
I've got a previously disadvantaged toe.
Igikwasi. Ko bakarangije kumudodera ino dore ukuntu ari kugenda.
For the first time
kirimo kirarengarega.
in 5 years, I am
kiravaho.
normally. Thanks, buddy.
Byabaye inshuti. Kumbe byaje ahangaha muri club. Nakabara kari hakurino yizana na kamera ya polisi bigikoreye. Kumbe byageze hano. Mu njagafoto ndi kumwe na Putin. Nanjye ndi kumwe na Beast mu fotore.
You'd say we'd failed.
Beast, where did you get this?
Ntabwo bizi ko byabaye ibisitari.
Hello, Beast.
Hello.
Oh, even better, baby. I sing and I do the pole dance.
Oh, Tina, baby, I would love to see those long, beautiful legs wrapped around the pole.
Watch me, sweet lips. Bring.
Kumbe cyane kamera baraza bagishinga hakuno. Icare. Kumbe nyiri byaga imbwa ziramwonera. Beast yakunzwe n'ikikobwa ariko Putin ari ikigabo cyamukunze bya bigabo bikunda bagenzi babo. Aro Putin. Aracyitegereza.
My name's Daisy Terreblanche.
The
only gay in the village.
Daisy like in flower.
Yeah, sure. I'm a
Akira karabo.
flower farmer. Butiki. Let's dance. I've got a huge
ko bagatashye.
It's going to be a joy.
Umugoroba warageze batahana ibyaha. Kumbe Putin baje hano mu cyumba.
To my arms, you bundle of charms.
Inana ngwino hano kumbe hakuno Putin acyo igipede gitangira gukuramo imyenda.
By the way, my name is Goodness.
Izina ryanjye banyita Nice myiza, Goodness. Kurunda igipede gifite imbunda. Iyo mbunda wayikuye he?
Oh, no, this is
keep
the dogs away from my crocs.
Mbunda kinaga ku ruhande. Kuramo imyenda ni igipede.
I'm just getting ready for bed.
Ngwino twijyamire arakinje. Ngiye njyamane no. Ngwino njyamane no bebe. Arakireba.
Really?
Njyewe uri seriye? Afata hakuri ni teremusi.
Coffee?
Hano harimo agacyayi. Oya. Aho harimo imiti yongera akanyabugabo. Kumbi. Teremusi y'umutwe. Mbunda yita yitsimba hakuno mu ngofero. Kumbe Beast yasasinzira. Beast ndaje. Beast kanguka naje. Beast yaguye yiryamiye yari yananiriwe. Beast umva umugono. Umva kuno niho bororera ingona. Beast kwaga kangutse kureba gutya. Inzoka mu mashuka. Inzoka yabaye inzoka hano. Abona na Isra cyaryamye. Azakuno kureba. We puti. Puti kanguka. Puti kwaga kangutse banajyamye n'ikigabo. Baba wenda apfuye akanagira hasi inorira babara. Umwana kikinga nararanye na
slept with a man and cut off a black guy's tongue.
Umwana Beast nararanye na kira kigabo. Nararanye na kira kigabo umwana.
Where the hell are we? What happened last night?
Beast mwana.
This man could have ravished me.
Kikinga kitamira ko cyangire kumuhumetsa mwana. Nkararanye.
I don't know.
Ndatekereza reka turebe kuri muzima. Uri muzima sha. Nta kintu wabaye kumuhumetsa.
I shot a black man.
Umuginga afite n'imbunda sha.
This can be incriminating evidence. Maybe the police are looking for us, huh? But we are in deep cock. We gotta get out of here. I gotta get this thing off.
Kumbi nari mari yakibangamira. Intoki za kurirasa. We, nukoresha imbunda birasakuza cyane. Wajya utekereza. Tayari ubu nukurishituraho. Karishingo. Ceceka. Umuginga reka gusaku. Cyavuye kinonagira. Cyavuye kinonagira. Kumbe ko byageze hano bisanga hari abari kuri televiziyo ku muhanda. What? Bibona wa mukobwa kuri televiziyo. Biza kumva byari kuvuga. Baturage game yamaje kuba yajyeho hatugiye kwa twabereka highlight. Ibyaranze umukino kumbe bije bibona muri televiziyo. Siko turi guca kuri televiziyo mwa. Cyarumiwe bibona byibana televiziyo imodoka y'abandi ya polisi. Ibintu byose byavuye byarabimenye ko bari kubikamera. Abaginga barimo baradukamera tutabizi kureba gutya.
Local reality show.
Nizo nkuru ziri muri mu binyamakuru gusa.
Damn it. I'm gonna Kelsey is a
Kiginga nacyo kiri kureba muri highlight ukuntu baje kwisibinika.
Yes, Mr. President.
President ntabwo nishimye.
So get your fat part over there to those two imbeciles and arrest them.
Ibi bintu n'umwanda mu bikureho. Cyangwa nze kuba nakwirukana.
Yes, Mr. President.
Reka ndukurikire president, ndukurikirana. Kaga kanagira hano aragerera. Yaguye hejuru y'umugore w'abandi.
I bet you the whole country watch those highlights.
Nikoga kigaruka kuno muri studio.
Guess who?
Ko bagasubije inyuma.
How long have they been filming us since the beginning?
So,
Barabivumbuye ko byabimenye ko bari kubikinisha filime.
Go straight for 5 kilometers.
Minister avayaza kubyirebera ibicucu. Za mikrofone ziri muri iyi myenda twambaye no mu magofero hose. Abo baginga sha kumbe uyu nguyu yabonye byinjira mu mazi. Umuginga yankubise teremusi kanze mwereka. Imyenda bikuramo.
clever boys.
They may be able to see us, but they sure won't hear a word we say.
Imyenda byayikuyemo bijya mu mazi umva kuntu za mikoro ziri kuvuga. Mikoro babiteze ntabwo amajwi bayumva. Kwera biri mu mazi.
No, let me tell you.
Baginga barimo baradukinisha filime mwa.
10 measly grand, maybe. What the hell are they saying?
You know what?
$1 million each. $1 million each. That's what those guys from Idols get, and they can't even sing.
In 100 meters.
Kumbe minister ari mu nzira za kubareba.
As we cross the finish line. Oh, we quit. Yeah.
Turn left now.
Ibintu tugomba kubihagarika none. Minister kwagavuyeyo bari modoka minister. Nayo imeze nka kijyango. Abaginga ngo president ntabwo yishimye. Agiye kunyirukana kubera mwege nk'abaginga mwe. mwanze kuba inshuti kijya mu mazi ahubwo muginga araje aruha murebe ni kigufi amazi arakirengera kumbe minisitiri arohama mu mazi asigara ingofero baza gutabara minisitiri bamukurayo mwabaginga ngo perezida ntabwo yishimye arenda kunyirukana kubera mwebwe kumbe cya gipede nacyo cyavuyeyo cyaza gikinga hano inyuma ku modoka gikuraho ingona yinjira amazi turapfuye minisitiri ntabwo wamufata ngo wagendera hejuru y'amazi ariruka minisitiri acaho minisitiri ntabwo wamufata minisitiri acaho ingona ibi biraza bifata imyenda umuperezida arabiseka
taking us for the bloody ride. Time to make contact.
Cyabagenda babakamera minisitiri ababona hasi minisitiri ko yakavuyeyo.
This could be interesting.
Filming us like this without our permission.
Kumbe cameraman byamuvumbuye. Hello baba. Neze ute musore cameraman byamuvumbuye.
Is this what's being broadcast? Kelsey, get yourself on a camera. We need to have a conversation now.
This is crazy.
Hey guys.
Hello guys.
This is reality.
You are filming us without our permission. And that is against our constitution.
Second up, you are making a fortune out of our misfortune.
Maybe.
Well, maybe we want just a little of that fortune. 1 little million rand each to finish this joke.
Okay, stay put. I'll bring you an offer.
Shut up. Hurry up.
Bankano. Kumbe ministri yaje hano. Ministri agira imodoka y'abandi. Hano nyirayo yazindiye ministri ayikopora. Ministri yiba imodoka y'abandi. Avuyeyo kashukushuku hakuno kayishuku. Umukobwa mbaye.
Hi guys.
Bite basore.
Here you go.
Thanks. Inside. We want to make sure that
buri muntu bamuhaye amafaranga yo kurya udufaranga n'idukeye.
What autograph now?
Umupeda vayo.
We can't offer you $1 million.
Barero basore umuntu gukora ni imirimo cy'imuragi hano. Kare kamuje mutera duha miliyoni enye z'amadolari ntabwo turabyemera gukomeza.
But this is what we can do. We can give you each 50,000 rand.
I like that.
Igihembo ni ngewe reka sha tukaba turi ariwe turi gukubikira ndebera mwana
Yeah, she kissed me.
You've
got the personality of a tombstone.
Don't you mock me.
This lady digs me, you old fool.
Kireka niba ari uwanjye ngenyine baraduha amafaranga.
50,000 rand and Kelsey or what? Or this you.
Niba bataduha amafaranga sasa. Wa mugingo mwici. Urumo iki? Wewe mwaza kuduha amafaranga.
I would have given you $1 million. I was just bargaining.
Amafaranga turayafite.
Yes, I would have given you $1 million. Turn the camera off.
Amafaranga singa cyase gikanguka. Amafaranga bamaje kwemerera imbere y'imbaga abaturage.
$1 million each.
And there's $1
million. Miliyoni ziri hehe?
So this you.
Abaginga bamaje kwemera imbere y'imbaga abaturage ntabwo bayabima.
You said the plans wouldn't hurt.
Wa mugingo siko wandashamu.
You turned the windmill.
Iyo nakurasa ntabwo twatubonye amafaranga.
Listen up. We're
So,
changing
guys.
the rules. We're only a few hours away from the end. And from now on, this is a race.
Okay.
$2 million prize, winner takes all.
Abaginga mwe.
I'm injured.
Too bad.
Go!
Ngo mwagiye amafaranga bayobemereye barongera bacaho barerekera.
Let the climax begin.
So, game igiye kuba yatangira. Ubu ministri kijyango ko yakageza hano. Abona ikintu cyafashe. Gicaho. Ministri aza gukingura kuri gate ngo yinjize imodoka. Arakingura. Akuno haruwana na imodoka. Cyakizi ngo cyamusize. Naho sha ministri ko yagakinze kuri gate. atega hibuye kumbe cyashize akabuye gatoya urugi kumbita kitomeka muri parishoke z'imodoka naho sha abafana baryohewe na game gifata moto arasigara ntabwo wancika wa mugingo we moto yinagamo naho sha amasubiraho game yaryoshye kumbita kamwe kagenda ukora kandi ukora Ministry acomora mu mutwe imodoka iramanuka aryama hasi imodoka kagashimitse urugi rurongera ragaruka kumbita mu mwobo w'ikinyogote cyamuteraguriyemo amahasha Ministry cyamugombaguriyemo amaho ibinyogote bitunga amahasha muzuru shamoramo uru runtu rwose ruvuye hera ni mwizuru ryanjye cyangwa
Hakumatoto.
ikintu kivuye hera Ministry gombe kinyesiko cyakagarutse kibona akamoto kari hasi gicaho kumva umugenga ari hejuru mugiti aho kigwa imbere vawa mugenga ntabwo ndi kureba imbere ntabwo ndi kureba imbere kumva imbere hari za nyoni za otirishi barayambara igishuhe mu kinyarwanda bakita igishuhe kino kinyoni kumbe bakagombye hano otirishi batira mu kirere baraje bafata bya imashini bisingasinga ibyatsi otirishi batira mu kirere mwabagira ngo muhagarare Ministry akura imbunda muhagarare sasu otirishi batira mu kirere iravuka sasu kumbe Ministry ko yakaje bimuzingazingira mu byatsi ibya imashini bizinga ibyatsi kumbe otirishi ko yakavuyeyo iraza otirishi bayo yarabiteruye nabyijukunye inyuma mu byatsi nabyica imashini kirabazinga imashini zizinga ibyatsi barahagarara mwabaginga mwe perezida ariko ndakunyirukana mwaza kuba inshuti mwabaginga
You are?
You know, I've got my
no twabaye inshuti
and I'm going to give him
Ministry asekamo
loving squeeze.
umva bitangira gukandagirana umfasha Ministry araseka wagira ngo ni imizinga kumbe ko byakavuyeyo biza hakuno aho game igomba kurangirira abafana barasohoka bajya kureba Beast arabaje gufana Buti abari baje gufana Beast game bageze hano ku murongo game irarangiye baje kubakura mu byatsi na Ministry bamukurayo babazanye akoze kuri stage turabikoze murabikoze basore Ministry yaje kubashimira
If you guys really want me, you're gonna have to fight for me.
kumbe byararebanye ntabwo we twagukorera shahu we ntabwo twakugwanira
You boys are too clever for me.
Hey,
Beast uri umuntu w'umugabo ukora hano shahu
it wasn't that bad, buddy.
noneho ku nshuro ya nyuma na nyuma bibaye inshuti
See that you brush your teeth.
ariko urimo uranuka mu menyo ntabwo borosa
Yes, Mr. President.
perezida wabyumvisha ko byakoretse gikandagira umugozi afure y'umutwe cyangwa kubwiye ngo kijyango ni umunyamwaka kumbe cya kigore kiracyategereje Beast kumbe Putin nawe cya giperezida kiracyamutegereje nakubwira ngo agafilime nako nuko kagenze kitarangira irarangiye kanda subscribe